How to use Google Search Console in 2024 Complete Guide. Welcome to our complete guide on how to use Google Search Console in 2024. If you want to improve your website's performance and visibility on Google, this guide is for you. Setting up Google Search Console. First, you need to set up your Google Search Console account. Go to google.com/search-console and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, you'll need to add your website. You can do this by clicking on the Add Property button and entering your website's URL. Google offers two methods for verification: the domain name provider and the URL prefix. Choose the one that suits you best and follow the instructions to verify your site. Exploring the dashboard. After verification, you will be directed to the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see an overview of your website's performance. The dashboard includes key metrics like total clicks, total impressions, average click-through rate, CTR, and average position. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with these metrics, as they are crucial for understanding how your site is performing. Performance Report. Next, let's dive into the Performance Report. Click on Performance in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find detailed insights into how your site is doing on Google Search. You can view data by queries, pages, countries, devices, and search appearance. Use this information to identify which keywords are driving traffic to your site and which pages are performing well. This data is invaluable for optimizing your content and SEO strategy. URL Inspection Tool. The URL Inspection Tool is another powerful feature. It allows you to check the index status of a specific page on your website. Simply enter the URL you want to inspect, and Google will provide information on its current indexing status, last crawl date, and any issues that need to be addressed. This tool is essential for diagnosing and fixing SEO issues on individual pages. Sitemaps. Adding a sitemap is crucial for ensuring Google can crawl and index all your website's pages. In the left-hand menu, click on Sitemaps. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click Submit. Google will then use this sitemap to better understand the structure of your site and crawl it more effectively. Coverage Report. The Coverage Report provides insights into how well Google is indexing your site. It shows the total number of indexed pages, as well as any errors, warnings, and excluded pages. Use this report to identify and fix issues that might be preventing certain pages from being indexed. Enhancements. Under the Enhancements section, you can find reports on different aspects of your site, such as mobile usability and structured data. These reports highlight issues that could affect your site's performance and user experience. Addressing these issues will help improve your site's overall SEO health. Security and manual actions. Finally, keep an eye on the Security and Manual Action section. This is where Google will notify you of any security issues or manual penalties that could affect your site's ranking. Resolving these issues promptly is crucial for maintaining your site's credibility and performance. Conclusion. Google Search Console is an essential tool for anyone looking to optimize their website for search engines. By regularly monitoring and using the features we've discussed, you can improve your site's visibility and performance on Google. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing!